Okay, so I started Maven yesterday. Means last class we discussed about how to download Maven and install Maven. Okay, and also I created a Maven project in Eclipse, and also already I told how to install Eclipse also. So you can try installation of Eclipse or NetBeans. NetBeans is also we can able to do it. In NetBeans, Maven is very easy. Okay, but why I'm using a Eclipse, because I want to do a project. NetBeans has a one problem. You have to create current new versions of NetBeans. Either you create a Java with Maven, Java with Ant only. I can't create a Java program, Java project with a pure Java project. I can't able to create it. Compulsory Maven or Ant is there. That's why again I installed Eclipse. Eclipse has some issues like a server kind of stuff, so no problem. But okay, I use Eclipse to create a Maven project. So we have to create a Maven project. There we have to last time it is not working. Clean is working, others are not working. Okay. So first of all, we'll create a Maven project. Okay, Maven is a build and test tool. So we can it integrated with the build and test tool it is. So we can create a Maven project. Maven project is nothing but a simple Java application only, but along with the Maven libraries inside. Along with the Maven related libraries are there. So we can easily test, build, packaging the application using Maven libraries. That's it. Very simple. Maven contains the libraries. Using that libraries, we can able to build, test, compiling all this kind of stuff. We can able to do it. That's it. So we'll create a Maven project first. Yesterday some issues occur. Now I find something. Okay, now it is working, and we do Maven commands. So we'll check the certain Maven commands are there. So Maven is a command is mvn. So to see the okay, so Maven. So first is usually clean. You can type the in a Google Maven commands in a Google, then you can find lot of commands. So I'm telling mvn compile, compile or a compile, mvn test, mvn package, okay, like that. So these are a few commands. So you can go with a continuation of commands also. You can do it. Okay. So where we can put these commands on a Maven project only. You cannot put a in a directly CMD. If you type it, it won't work. You have to open the project in a CMD, and only we can able to put the commands. What are the output? If you are not understanding, if I don't understanding, also no problem. Okay. So first we will do manually, then using Jenkins. Okay. So we automate. Okay, so we using Jenkins also we do Maven. So I will show you how to do with Jenkins also. So first of all, I didn't open anything except my Docker is running in background. No problem. First, I will open Eclipse. I pause update for 7 days, so update problem won't be there. I installed Docker, guys. Already, I will tell you how to install it. Okay, so just how to download a package for Docker and all. So I will do it. So first of all, I will show you this Maven thing completed. Next, we will do Jenkins project pipelining project kind of stuff. Then we'll see the Docker. Maybe I will try to take the class in afternoon also 2:30. We'll complete Docker in afternoon. Okay, because it's always useful. Now we are lagging in the technologies. So in a news media and all, everybody's India people not at in the technologies and all. we are moving forward with the technologies and all news are fake news only. Only thing is we are advertising, but not we are not giving to the people. We are not using it as we are not at all utilizing. Still, people are advertising how to make a how to run a vehicle with water, and there is no improvement in that one. Just for an advertisement. Someone asked me a question, but I didn't give in a reply. DevOps architecture different from lifecycle, or a phase in the architecture is equal to lifecycle. Yeah, actually, what are the phases in a architecture is lifecycle. Yeah, okay. Okay. This is the problem with Eclipse. So setup check like that. Now it is completed. So yesterday I created this Marvin project, but I will show you how to create a Marvin project in Eclipse. Can you able to view the screen, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to full screen mode, so then I can see very easily. Okay, so uh, these are old file one, so I'm closing this one. Not a big deal. So this is project. Okay, project. I'm creating project means what project I want to create. So it is a list of projects Marvin, and if you are putting an ant plugin, then ant also it will show like this is Gradle like that. So this is a Marvin. Already I add a Marvin plugin here. Already there inside Marvin project. Next, okay, yeah, it's a default location means Eclipse workspace only. Okay, otherwise you can change the place also if you want. So I didn't check this one, so I leave like that only. So all categories here. It will show the group ID and artifacts automatically. You have to check with certain things. It is not yet downloaded. It is, I think, it is downloading in the background. So you can select any categories. I put all categories. It should be download. Marvin architecture, quick start. Okay, select this one. So this is the issue. I got it properly. I didn't select earlier. Okay, so org, Apache, Marvin, architecture type, Marvin, architecture type, quick start. Because we are not doing much, so I'm not doing a web app, I'm not doing a site or a simple or a, like this profile kind of stuff. Okay, see J2EE, I'm not doing, just I'm selecting quick start. Okay, that is This is archetype. Okay, architecture type. And we have to give a group id. Anything you can give as a group id, or demo, or a cts, or anything you can give as a group id. I will give group ids itis. Okay, anything I can give, so no problem. Or windows, tata, anything. So this here I am giving this one, so .com dot um, cts. So same artifacts ID. This is a package name. You can give anything in a package name, no problem. So artifacts ID, anything you can give. The package must be, you should give like this only. Okay. Or you can give sub also, no problem. What is a package means? It's like a folder inside a folder like that. Okay. You can give anything here, like a Vedic you can give. But I'm leaving like this only, so I'm not disturbing this one. Okay, it's just for a name and a folder type only. Just finish. Okay, so here it is, there, cts src pom.xml file, but we have to wait to create this one. See, so it will create entire folder things one by one. Meanwhile, I will show you another one. See, so this is a total folders inside of that one. Main Java, test Java, like this. Automatically it will create things. Why it is showing like this? Yesterday it is working. This is a pom.xml. It is a project object management. Some name is there. Okay, pom.xml will tell you how to run this one, how to test it, how to build a thing. So if you see here, it is, you can see group id, artifacts id, and after building, so what version it should be added to it. Like you can use one also, version 1.1, like that. Name means this one. Okay, is giving a url as this one example at no problem. Compiler version JUnit 4.11 it is using for testing purpose. Okay, JUnit testing. Clean plugin. This is a resource plugin compiler. If you want to convert into jar file, then this is a jar file plugin. Okay, install plugin, deploy, like this site. Okay, so this is a pom.xml file. If you want to change, you can change it if you have a knowledge on it. That's it. Okay, nothing is there, no Java file, nothing is created. Only okay, app.java is created, and also you can create additional things. Okay, so under this one you can have, under package you can create a multiple uh, Java pages also. By default this is a hello world is there. If you want, you can change it also. I don't want a comments here. You can use it, or you can add a extra file in that one also, no problem. Currently, yeah, it is showing a hello world, but I'm adding another one. A is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. Okay, so these are integers. I think I defined correctly, wrongly. Why it is showing like this? Okay, not at used. Okay, I will use it, no problem. If is greater than b, why something is goes wrong?
Sir, round bracket.
Round brackets. A is greater than B. Something always only why we put that kind of stuff. Range. Chi, 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 chi.
Syst.
System dot out dot print, and then better to create a shortcut for that one. Um, A is greater than B. Next, else. I think I done mistake. System dot out dot print. A is not uh, greater than B. Okay. So something I created a program. Why always one program? So I use this one. So I'm saving. Now I'm just want to run only a page like this. Only Java page I want to run. So right click. It is slow, slow, slow. Save it and run it. So here run as a Java application, not run as a server, just run as a Java application. Okay, see like this. I got an output. Okay, so this is only page testing. This is completed. Okay, next is a Marvin testing. How to do Marvin testing? Simple. Right click on your project. So 1 second, I will show you another one. You can see test.java like this, like this. This is also a Java class. Okay, app test.java. This is app.java, app test.java. So you can see it is importing JNet asset true org JNet test. So app class is app test at the rate would answer with the true. I said true something. Is a script is already there. I didn't done anything, so just it is already there. Okay, for testing purpose. This is a JRE system libraries to run this Java. This is Marvin dependencies, something Marvin related jar file. It is already added. This is JUnit 4.11 Java jar file is added for testing. So you can see like this. This is a target file, of course. These are the folders. Now using Eclipse, if you want to do Marvin kind of stuff, simple run Marvin clean, Marvin install, Marvin test, Marvin build, like that you can able to do it. This is only unit test purpose only. So I just Marvin commands only. So we'll see. Ignore the red colors. We need a build success or not. That is important. Okay, it is showing a build success. So now again I'm going to Marvin test. I'm doing now. It is a small letters, right? So we can't able to see. Just I'm waiting for an output. So Java is executing that Marvin command. So you can see that one. test. So it do compile and as well as a test, build successful. Okay. So this is with a IDE where you done. But how to do manually? So how to do manually? Remember our package name com.cts. So what I will do, I will go to that package and I'll try. So manually how to do it. So it is located under user, user, username, Eclipse workspace. This is the location. This is the our project file. Copy it. Don't cut it. Just copy it. I put in a E drive for a testing purpose. I don't want to test there. You can see target folder, class path, project, and all because we done a testing kind of stuff there. So these are all folders under target. These are all will be cleared out one by one when you create, and it will again it will create based on your command. Last class already told you how to install a Maven and all, so I'm not going to show you again. Check it that video how to download a Maven and all. Still, if you have a doubt, then no problem. Why it is going to target? Target is not my target. CD dot dot. So one step back. So I'm in the project folder. If you see, I copied here manually. I'm doing Maven. Okay, so Maven. First command is clean. Wait. So then it will download the plugins and it will test with the plugin. Next one is compile or compile. What happening? Compile. Okay. So when you do compiling and all, see target folder is not there. But after compiling, the target folder, everything the will come back because when it is compiling, it generated data, right? So class files and all it will generate. So that is the thing. So again, you can use a test command directly, or if you want to remove the previously executed data and you want to do it again, so then you can use clean test. You can able to do it. Otherwise, you can use the test also. Directly test is okay. You can use it, or you can use clean test. When you put a clean, the target folder and I mean the class files generated from that existing one. So it will do. So it will do compile, test resources, and test. So what is actually test based on app test file? Okay. So build successful test run. Next one is compulsory before you install command put it better to give clean install, then it will clean it. So install command when you give it, so it will generate a jar file. So this is your Java file. He is located here. This is your Java file. In target, um, just look at here and you will understand what I am going to tell next. Okay, so when I put a this command, what happening? Yeah, now it is enter. First it is cleaning. So when it is cleaning, the background folder target folder is removed, means the previous what are the data it is generated, it is done. Now it is install. When you put a install also it is doing testing, like I'm giving running commentary. Okay, so if you see here it is the build. This is for a install means like it build a jar file. So can you see a jar file? So this is the our application. So it build in a dot jar. Okay, of course if you execute it will show you, it won't give you any information as a no. Otherwise you can give jar for executing jar file hyphen jar. So that slash target com dot jar file, uh, that manifest no main manifest attribute, that error is a common one, but we have to search properly why it is coming and how to give um, the exact code for that one. So how to give the exact code, um, like that. Okay, so there we have to give some class path, manifest path, something we have to give properly. Okay, so we are not that much. This is the manually how to do with the, okay, how to do it manually, but how to do with the automated process. So that is Jenkins. Okay, I didn't start my Jenkins. Very good. Now Alan, how to start a Jenkins? Anyone? One is enough. It will take time. So what is the command for Jenkins start? No, that's why practice. At least try. If you got fail, no problem. No, no, no. E drive. So cd Jenkins folder. Okay. So now Java hyphen jar Jenkins.var hyphen http port number 9090 only I'm using. Okay. So now it is starting. So when it is shows Jenkins is full up and running, so we can open the web browser. So meantime, I will show you Git related one. So now it is opening. Okay. So in a Git, I will upload this Marvin file into Git. I have a working Marvin file is also there, including we will get an output. But um, I will add a repositories. See, new repository. Someone added new repository. Okay. The folder name you can put anything, no problem. Or you can put like this also. Maybe it is agree or not agree. Okay, you can give like this also. Marvin project. Okay, same names won't give you confusion. That's it. Later we can delete it. No problem. Okay, so here it is a link. Okay, I'm copying this link. My project in a, where is my project? My project in a Eclipse, right? See, this is a Marvin run MVN clean. So first I do clean, then later I will do other things. So what about my Jenkins? So still it is showing illegal, illegal. I need a full up and running kind of stuff. It runs. Let it go. Okay, clean is completed. Now I want to put from here to there. So I'm going to from my IDE to GitHub directly. So I no need to do the commands and all. Run. No, no, no. Where is this team share project? Yeah, this is the one only. This is the project. Okay, create a repository. Okay, select it. Create a repository. Just create a repository. Very simple. I use a team and then share project. Then I selected this one. Create a .git file will be created. Finish. Okay. Now the question mark is showing here. Okay. So compare with replace. See, new options are came. Now again team commit. Okay. So no, we have to see the add. Add is not there. I will do commit. It should ask. Yeah, here it is. Git staging. This is asking commit message. This is asking commit message. This is my author and committer. Unstage and stage. You have to add all these things before you do it. So now it is everything is staged. Now commit. Mm, first Marvin project. So something commit and push or commit only commit. Later I will do push. Now when you click on push, yeah, we can't put a push. You have to tell. So which one is your remote repository? Again team push master remote push. Okay, I will use remote push. So what happened? This is copy. 1 second. My Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is full up and running. Jenkins is working. So at present no bother. You need a little bit patience for this one. Okay, so this is the gate. Okay, so here location, username and password authentication. Vedic soft CTS. I know password. Port number is not required. Automatic port number. Head to header, master branch to master branch or anything. Nothing is why it is showing. This is not required. I had is enough. Next. Okay. Confirm pushing. The new version is a cancel. Okay, finish. Now go to this and refresh. We'll see. This is it. Okay. Guys, got it? So I push. I develop the code in my IDE. I develop the code in my IDE, and I put this one into GitHub. So that's why practice GitHub. It is very useful. Lot of places from there you can put it into GitHub. Not only your things like later if you not only this one, so we can do more things in GitHub. So my Jenkins is up. So what to do? How to open? So we done in manually. Okay. Then we will do with a Jenkins. Let it log in. It will take time. Once I completed this Marvin thing, okay, so we'll take a break. Then we'll go with the Jenkins pipeline. So last class, we already told to our Jenkins where is a Marvin folder is available. Marvin application, Marvin where we downloaded Marvin link already given. Okay, so and Marvin related plugins also installed. So it is rotating that much time. Yeah, it is going on. It will verify all the plugins and am I recording this one? Or not? Yeah, recording is going on. Don't worry. And do not think like that. Record is there, YouTube is there. That's it. That is for guideline. Okay. For example, if you forget a step, or if you are uh, okay. So here four projects we built last time. Now new project we are going to build before that one. So yeah, already we done this one. taking too much time. Okay, here you have to go to generally once you check with the plugins, some updates are available. Okay, so don't worry about that one. Global configuration tool, system configuration. There we have to tell where is Marvin and Git application is there. Okay, in my C drive, I have my Marvin actually application means the Marvin download thing is here. I extracted here. So this is the bin folder. Okay, these are the Marvin commands. We should not go like this. It is taking too much time. New version, new build things now. So they want to give more facility, including I never get that much of problem with the Marvin application creating in a Eclipse or NetBeans. But this time it is giving lot of options. The options, lot of options is for more advanced users. For us, it is more difficult, complex for a more advanced. It is taking too much time, so I'll go for a project. My starting new item, so new job. So first, I'm doing a Marvin project. I give name called a demo Marvin demo project one. Okay, yeah, any name you can give. So I'm giving a demo project one. Okay, so it's a Marvin project. Compulsory, you have to tell it's a Marvin. If you do freestyle means you have to do CMD based commands only, normal commands. We have to do it. Now here it is Marvin project, so it will understand more about Marvin project. Okay, and I already uploaded into GitHub. So my source location I will take it from GitHub only. Okay, so I will take it from the GitHub only. Then I will show you continuous integration kind of stuff also. I will try. Python is always best. By this time Python I can do more codes also. Guys, if you don't know Java and if you don't understand this Marvin and all, try with Python continuous integration. Okay, develop some code like that. So it is very easy, right? So you know already Python. If you don't know Python, or maybe you forget Python, or maybe you want to practice Python, there are a lot of ideas are there. Okay, okay. How much time it will take? So I selected as a Marvin, okay, and then okay. It is asking for a description. So then it will load one by one so we can see. Wait, it will respond. It will take time, but it will respond. So if it's something pausing like this, go to your Jenkins window. Okay, so if it is going on, moving some, then no problem. Or if this is also stuck, then put a one enter. Okay, so it will try to load from here. So yeah, here it is. See, general, it is a demo Maven project. It's a description only. Source code management. Where is my source? I'm in a Git. Okay, I'm in a Git. So it is showing error. So don't worry about that one. So this is my Maven project. So how I know this is a pom.exe file available? So only it is Maven. Go to code, copy this code, copy this code URL, just copy this one. Okay, copy this URL here and click here. Why error? Nothing. It is taking time. Okay, so copy that here. Where? Source code management, Git, and here. Next, it's a build triggers. Do you want to build triggers based on like this is GitLab one? So you can define trigger build remotely, build after other projects are built, build periodically. Then you can schedule the build. Okay, so periodically means every 1 hour, every 4 hours, or maybe every day morning or every evening, like that. Okay, like that. So it is there. Next, build environment. So delete workspace before you build start, or maybe adding a timestamp to console output. Okay, inject environmental variables. So like that, you can give a environment regarding that one. Build with an ant, build with SSH agent, like that. Pre-steps. Before you go build, then if you want to give any steps for that one, like that, you can give, or build options you can able to give. Okay, pre-steps. You can use option like invoke top level Maven target. Invoke top level Maven target. So here it is showing a Maven version. I'm selecting M3 because I put there as a M3, I think so. So that's why it is M3, and it is showing a goals. If you select like this, and it will show you. You can type the goals like clean. Clean is a one goal, right? We put a MVN clean. So here it is just we can give clean, um, um, clean compile, and then I done a clean test, clean install, or a clean package. So like that. So how many commands, what are you want to do it? So you can put all the things. Okay. So one by one you can put it, or maybe you can put a everything in a one place only. Better, my idea is better to give only one or two commands first. Later you can able to change it, or maybe you can write in a different manner also. So here also goals and options are showing. So you can go with the build or a peer steps. Build step goal you can give. So I will put it clean. Nothing is there. So no need to do anything here. Better not to do anything, or otherwise instead of here I put a here. So no problem. If you got error, then we will see that one. Four steps after. See, this is a pre-step before you build. This is the build. Four steps means run only if build successful, run only build success or is unstable, run regardless of build result. So add a post steps, build settings, post build action. So what to do after build? Yeah, you want to put it back into GitHub comments, removal labels like SCM, source code management, HTML report. You want to publish a HTML report. Okay, deploy artifacts to Maven repository, build other project, archive artifacts like that. Okay, publish coverage to GitHub, um, XUnit test result report. Okay, so like this, so many things are there. This is only we'll understand by step while working. Guys, again, I go to the pre steps. In the pre steps, I said invoke top level Maven targets. Then I select my Maven version, and then means already I given internally. It is taking time to show you again. So I given some commands here, Maven commands, goals, and here build also I given a one goal. It is showing error, so I don't know why it is showing error. It's okay, so no problem. It's okay. Okay, so I'm not doing anything here. So this is a post build setup, and nothing I'm doing. Just I'm saving. So we can't waste more time. So first we'll do it. So sometimes it will throw error. So don't worry. It's going on. So source code management, I given a GitHub code only. So we'll see. Success will give more good, happy. So we got something success. Even we don't know what is success in that one. Okay, but um, if it is a failure, that is a learning opportunity. So compulsory, you should try why it is a failure. But classroom, it is failures are not good. Why it is building or not building? Definitely, I clicked on it, so I have to wait. Yeah. Now it is the build one is going on. Like so, you can do multiple buildings by changing a code or without changing anything. Also, so build one is going on. This is a console output. Okay, so while I build, I told add a date and timestamp, but it is become very slow. Still, I don't understand. My mission is very good now. So goodly good working going on. So first GitHub, take the data from the GitHub. So commit done. Now Maven commands are running. See, automatically it is taking Maven location. See Maven like this. First clean, then compile, clean, test, again clean, install. First one is the cleaning one. Test compile. It is not showing any outcome here. Now it is testing is going on. Build successful up to the pre-step, up to install, running commentary. Next, I type some command, right? So that is clean build. I think it is going on. clean package. It is going on. See here it is. Executing Marvin Jenkins workspace form.xml clean package is going on. Up to test it is success and it is going on. So we have to wait. If it is a success, then success. No need to troubleshoot. This is a build step. That is up to there. I given a pre-build. I given a build step. I didn't given any post build. This is the only build step. Test. If you want to do it again, means like a continuous development type. Very simple. Go to IDE. Means Eclipse. Add one more, two more lines, or add something in that one. So and execute. Yeah. Finish. Success. Build successful, and it is generated a jar file here. Okay. We don't see the output part, but so this is the one first build, and console output is a successful. So view as a plain text is also given option. So like this is a total. Like you can take it and I can send it for a analysis what is going on also. Okay. So next, for example, you want to build furthermore. Okay. For example, mm, system dot out dot println. Um, so integer c is equal to a plus b. Okay, so then I put a plus b equal to plus c. Java is a more this kind of language, right? So save it. So I just add a plus this kind of stuff. Now can you see here it is git tagging the change unstacked area change is occur. But important is first of all I have to test in my place, right? So I have to test this one. So yeah, a plus b is a 30. So a is 20, b is 30, and a plus b is 30. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so this is a new code. One more line I added. Now what I have to do? So again this one git staging. It's a unstaged changes are there. Add the things, add it, then give the commitment. Second commit or add a new line or anything. A plus b. I use a plus b line there. So okay, second commit. So why we need something a plus b. Um, I give it. So I'm giving a commit and push. Commit and push because already I given a link earlier. Oh, origin link is always same, but why it is asking a link? Copy continuous development, right? I know password and I given a password to you. So then preview. Okay, okay, something like this. So only it is changed, right? So that's why It is showing like that. Push. Why it is asking? Okay, so here to do refresh once, better to do refresh. Okay, second commitment. So SRC, where here only commitment is occur. See, that is another one, not it's showing as a old one only. Here it is added. Okay, now again I'm building again Marvin project only. We can't see the output here. Build now. I'm not changing anything. Same build. Second build. I click on build now, right? Build now. Test result tench. See, it is recent changes. Why it is showing like this? I given build now. Yeah. It is going on. We can't able to see that. Um, it's going on. Okay. Last duration build on like this. It is showing now. So it is going on. See, we press the 2 3 times now. Then it is showing like this. This is second one currently building. Oh, it's, time to close it. Okay, so the what are the changes? It is showing here also. GitHub, remote, origin master, everything, module build, console output. Okay, so this is keep going. So this is how we can able to automate Marvin project. So you need a Marvin project, take into Jenkins environment, give the source location, either Git or any other location, and go to pre-step. There you have to give what are the steps, the things you want to do it. So give the goals and build. Also you can give the things. And if you need more information for a how to do with the POM file and all kind of stuff, also you can able to change it. Okay, and then if you want to do post build setup or you want to publish or you want to deliver into somewhere like that, you can able to do it. Or you want to build another project or you can deployment or testing, you can able to do it. Okay, so this is it. This is your Marvin. So build, test, deploy. So we use JUnit, Marvin and JUnit. Marvin for actually build compiling things for testing and purpose. We use a JUnit, and for packaging and installation purpose, we use Marvin only. Okay, that's it, guys. So I don't want to go much depth of Marvin kind of stuff. Next, we'll see about other things, mainly Jenkins pipeline project. You should understand what is upstream, downstream projects. So next I will see that one.